Falcon's in on it.
You can look on him. He's just
taking no notice. All these crazy women. Look at it. They're really enjoying this. It's really funny.
Because Falcon also like this.
It's chaos.
Interesting. How long?
Yeah. Let's see how long they must get fed up with it. They'll get tired and stop. No?
I hope so. I never checked.
Well, this is the test. If we have, you know, another 2 hours of video possible.
See, here's biting females.
Oh yes, yeah. He's fed up. He's calm, trying to say stop it. Yeah. Hertz has had enough of all these idiots. Faya, look at Faya going. She moved in the fastest. I'm just racing. Yeah? So you like race horses. Look at that rabbit go. Look at her go. Yes, yes, and they're doing the same spot to meet. Let's see how long this carries on.
And Dina is better now.
Yes, she's calmer. What? Ah, Faya's got her voice pitch up. She's copying your dogs. he's lost his voice. Well, yes, it's good exercise. I say it's good exercise for all of them. They're beginning to slow down, don't you think?
Oh my, she can get, you know, hard stop.
Who?
Anya, take a look on her.
Oh yes, she stopped. Yeah, she's now, she's slowed down. She's slowed down. Yeah, she's only 7 months old. It's too much for her. The other ones are older. And Faya is...
Remy, Dana, Viska.
Faya will keep going for 20-30 kilometers like this.